We've been talking about similes and metaphors, and for today's Google Slides, we're going to be looking at a sentence and then deciding if that sentence has a simile for comparison or if it's using a metaphor. Remember, a simile, when comparing two things, uses the words like or as when comparing, and a metaphor compares the two things by telling it that it is something, so no like or as needed. So I'm going to look at the first slide here. And as I said, there's a sentence up top, and then I have two choices. Is it a simile? Does it use like or as? Or is it a metaphor, which means something is? It compares by telling it is something. So this one says, my brother is as cunning as a fox. Now, I see that my two keywords, as and as, so I know that this is a simile. What I'm going to do is click and drag my check mark over to my box and mark that that is a simile. Then I'm going to go over to the side and click my next box. When I'm hungry, I can eat like a horse. Okay, I see like in that sentence, so that means that's a simile. So I'm going to click and drag my check mark up to simile. Now there's a whole bunch of these for you to practice, 18 in fact. But if you go down to the very end, the last two slides are something different. This slide says make your own sentence with a simile. So you're going to come up with your own sentence using a simile and you're going to type it here. Remember to type, you're going to double click, erase the words, and then type in your sentence. And then the other one is just like that slide, except you're going to use the metaphor instead. When you're all done, make sure that you turn it in, please. Good luck.